You're what poppin', man? Hey, in this video right here, man, we finna talk. I'm gonna show you how to better your back ways, man. You feel me? I'm gonna show you how I brush my back ways. I'm gonna show you how to better your back ways, and we're gonna get right into it. Some people say back ways do not matter. I told you, back ways matter, man. You feel me? You already know how we rockin'. I'm finna show you how to better your back ways, man. And we about to get right into it right after the intro.
You wanna ride my way? Now they blow what I got say. They ain't wanna see me grow. They hate on low. They hate on low. They hate on low. Yeah. I just wanna win. Can I do that? Yeah. I don't want you girl, cause you boo bad.
What's good, Notification Gang? It's your boy, SwaggDrizzle, man. Hey, look, man. If you're new to my channel, you want to learn more about how to get waves, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video. Look, in this video, man, like I said, man, y'all seen the intro. I need a haircut, but I'm still gonna push out this content for y'all, man. You feel me? No further ado, man. We gotta jump into this back wave matter elite status, man. You feel me?
What?
It's a lot of people like.
Back ways don't matter.
What?
Back ways. Back ways.
Y'all niggas better stop playing with me in here.
When it comes down to brushing your back way, if you ain't seen my sides video, I did my left side and my right side already. I'm gonna have the link down in the description, man. Check them videos out right after this video. But when it comes down to brushing your back ways, man, like I always say, it depends on how hard you slant the top and how your sides flowing. And also it depends on what kind of swirl you got. As you may know, if you've been rocking with me, man, I got a clockwise swirl, you feel me? So that means my junk go around like the clock, you feel me? If your junk go opposite of the clock, you got a counterclockwise swirl, so keep that in mind. So, you see the back of my head, right? You see it going down at like a 45-degree angle, you feel me? Don't pay the back of my head. Don't pay the back of my neck. No mind, man. I gotta get cut up, bro. But it's going down in a 45-degree angle. And before somebody say it, I gotta let y'all know. I know somebody gonna be like,
But Drizzle, your back ways ain't really flawless.
bro, I don't have every part of my head flawless, man. You feel me? Like I was saying, when I brush my 540s in the back, right, I vertical brush to my left side. Like how I did my sides, I don't really have a pinpoint. You feel me? I don't really have a pinpoint when I'm brushing my back ways. You feel me? I just brush at a 45-degree angle and then blend it in with my left side. So I start from my right back, right? I start from my right back, brush it down, boom, 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 and blend it on in with my left side, you feel me? The key to brushing your back side, man, is vertical brush. You got a vertical brush, bro. You get better progress when you vertical brush because all the bristles are connecting with the waves, you feel me? Like in the description, man, I got the videos that I recommend for 540 waves, man. My main top brushes that I use on a daily basis, they'll be in the description as well. It's your boy, SwaggDrizzle, man. Hey, and I'm out of here, man. Let's get it, man. Gang.